Hey there everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I've got some golden nuggets to share with you on how to make sure your YouTube videos show up when people search for them. No need for tech jargon here, just simple, effective tips. First things first, your video's title. Think of it like this. What would you type in the search bar to find your video? Use those words. A clear, catchy title can do wonders. Now about those thumbnails, they're your video's first impression. Make it appealing and relevant to what your video is about. Imagine it's the cover of a book that makes people want to read it. Let's get into video descriptions. Here's the trick. Use keywords that relate to your video but don't go overboard. Give a short summary of your video so both viewers and search engines know what's up. Tags are next on the list. They're like little labels that help YouTube categorize your video. Mix it up with some general and specific tags that accurately represent your content. But here's the magic sauce. Engagement. Likes, comments, and shares are like the fairy dust that boost your video's visibility. Ask your viewers to join the conversation. It's like inviting friends over a chat. And there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to make your YouTube videos search engine friendly. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll see results. Thanks for tuning in and learning with me today. Once again, I appreciate you watching how to optimize YouTube videos for search engines. Catch you in my next video.